Assalamualaikum and greetings. We are from Group D. So today our group will be presenting Group Assignment 2 for the subject of Risk and Insurance under the course code Bwrr 1013. Group D consists of 5 members, and let me introduce myself. My name is Wan Muhammad Daniel Zainuddin with the metric number 295445. Next is Muhammad Shafi Azhim bin Hardi with metric number 295189. Next is Muhammad Alif Najmi bin Kamali with metric number 295252. Next is Siti Normaisara binti Norsabari with metric number 295156, and lastly Nur Safia binti Nasaruddin with the metric number 294644. Here are the contents covered in this presentation. So, as we can see, there are 6 contents that will be discussed in this group assignment. So, the first part is introduction. Next is comparison of characteristics of insurance product. Next, the relevance of the insurance product to the society. Then, importance of the insurance product in the market. Next one is the recommendation to improve Malaysian insurance product. And the final section is the conclusion. Next, we move to the introduction part. First and foremost, we need to understand what is the definition of an insurance policy. So basically, an insurance policy is a legal contract between an insurance firm and its insured. The legal contract is stated in the form of product disclosure sheet. The insured are the customers who apply for the insurance policy. There are several purposes of the application of insurance in the life of humans. Firstly, insurance companies pool risk to lower payment expenses for the insured. It doesn't matter what kinds of losses occur towards the insured. Insurance also safeguards against monetary losses due to accidents, injuries, or property damage. It helps them to reduce their burden to pay the cost of the losses occurred towards them. And insurance increases legal responsibility coverage for injury or damage to third parties. There are many types of insurance policies in the entire world, such as health, life, house, and car insurance. Various insurance companies offer coverage at a cost, such as Allianz, Takaful, Etika, and etc. In this group assignment, our group will focus on auto insurance and compare the auto insurance products between Malaysia and another country, which is Australia. Why Australia? Because it is known as one of the developed countries in the entire world. Its economy is dependent on markets and is primarily driven by the export of commodities and services. The GDP per capita of the nation is comparatively high, placing it in the top 25 developed nations along with US and UK. Also, Australia's economy has grown and developed due in part to its extensive industrialization. The benefits of auto insurance, including helps pay for injuries or property damage in automobile accidents, covers costs for necessary repairs, theft, vandalism, or damage from natural disasters. And also, annual fees paid to insurance company replace the need for out-of-pocket payments.
So now we are going to look at the comparison between characteristics of the insurance product between Malaysia Chubb Auto Insurance and also Allianz Australia Insurance Ltd. The policy covers under the Chubb Auto Insurance from Malaysia are mandatory section and package coverage. The mandatory sections include product plans like situation of loss or damage to your car and liability to third parties. Whole package coverage is only applicable to the particular section like towing and minor repair service, replacement car service, home burglary, cash relief. Type of coverage that covers under Allianz Australia Insurance Ltd are comprehensive insurance, third-party property damage insurance, and third-party fire and theft insurance. Under the comprehensive insurance, they will cover accidental loss of including theft or accidental damage to the vehicle. Liability cover as specified in the legal liability section falls under the third-party property damage insurance. Third-party fire and theft insurance, it will cover accidental loss of or accidental damage to the vehicle caused by fire or theft. However, third-party fire and theft insurance is not available for new policies. It's only available to renewing customer with third-party fire and theft insurance. Under the contribution part, Chubb Auto Insurance makes a basic contribution each January in an amount equal to 16% of your eligible earnings for the previous year. Even if you don't contribute to the plan, this is an automatic company contribution and you will decide how the money is invested. Meanwhile, for Allianz, Australia Insurance Ltd will impose special conditions on the policy that exclude, restrict, or extend cover for a certain person or condition. For example, they may decline to cover certain drivers. This condition will be listed on the policy. For the pricing practices and premium rate, the fees and charges that need to pay under Chubb Auto Insurance are 10 years of stamp duty, 60% of tax on the premium only if applicable, and commission paid to the insurance intermediary maximum up to 10% of the premium. Premium rates under the Allianz Australia Insurance Ltd need to be paid on time. It can be paid annually in a lump sum or in installments by direct debit from a bank account or credit card that you nominate.
Hi everyone, I will share about comparison between characteristic Chubb Auto Insurance and Allianz Australia Insurance, which is major exclusion and customer service. In major exclusion, Chubb Auto Insurance does not have to cover certain losses like your own debts, your liability against claim, and the last one, they also not have to cover loss or damage from natural disaster. While for Allianz Assurance Company, they do not have to cover loss, damage, costs, and expenses that causes by unlicensed driver, a declined driver, a exceeding load or passenger limit, unsafe vehicle, criminal, war, and so on. And for the last one is characteristic for customer service for these two insurance company is for Chubb Insurance, customer can contact the branches nationwide or also can visit website for contact information at www.chubb.com.my. Meanwhile, for Allianz Insurance Australia Company, you can contact the service hotline and visit their official website.
Thank you for the previous presenter. Now I will continue my part, which is relevant of the insurance product to the society. Okay, the first relevant of the insurance product to the society is financial protection. Auto insurance provide financial protection to vehicle owner and society as a whole. In the event of an accident or vehicle loss, the owner can get compensation from the insurance company. This help avoid the large financial burden that an individual or family may experience due to the cost of repairing or replacing a vehicle. For example, if someone involved in an accident and their vehicle sustained significant damage, the insurance company will pay for the repairs or give the vehicle a market value. Okay, next, insurance also can guarantee the safety of the public on the road. The requirement to have insurance ensure that every vehicle owner is responsible and financially protected. This can encourage drivers to comply with traffic law and increase awareness of the road safety. For example, vehicle owners who are responsible for obtaining insurance will tend to comply with road rules. Otherwise, if a vehicle does not have insurance, it will cause its user to feel insecure about operating the vehicle. Okay, other than that, insurance can provide support in emergencies. Through service such as roadside assistance, vehicle owner can get help when experiencing a problem such as car breakdown, running out of fuel, or losing key. This helps the community feel safer and more protected when on the road because vehicle insurance that provide road assistance service such as fueling or providing emergency towing service. Okay, last but not least, insurance product can contribute to the economy through the payment of premium and settlement of claim. This industry creates employment opportunity, increase business activity, and contribute to the national income. This is because job in the insurance field such as claim assessor and insurance agent create employment opportunity and support the local economy through the payment of wages and tax. Overall, auto insurance product play a very important role in protecting society, contributing to the road safety, providing assistance in emergencies, and contributing to the economic growth. In order to ensure that this benefit can be realized, effort to increase awareness, understanding, and access to the insurance product must continue for the well-being of the society as a whole. That's all for me. Thank you. Now I will pass to the next presenter.
Now, let's talk about the importance of auto insurance in the market. Auto insurance is a necessity for drivers, serve as a vital financially safety net in unpredictable world of road travel. Beyond a legal obligations, it promotes responsible driving and provides a crucial layer of protections, ensuring individuals can navigate unforeseen challenges on the road with confidence. So basically, there are 5 importance of auto insurance in the market, which is a legal compliance, financial protection, liability coverage, sense of security, and also support economic growth. Let's talk about legal compliance. It is a legal minimum coverage is required if a person wants to operate their vehicle. In many countries, having insurance for cars is a legal requirement. Vehicle insurance is a must in order to renew road tax to legally operate their vehicles on a public road. The absence of a valid insurance policy can result in hefty fines. This also applies to Malaysia as well. As for financial protections, auto insurance serves a crucial financial safety net, covering the high cost of repairs and liabilities to third parties in the event of accidents, theft, or damage. Talks about repair liability. Repairing damaged car causes significant financial loss for everyone. These damages, either resulting from accidents or acts of nature, can be unbearable. But with the auto insurance, the financial burden of repairing or replacing a vehicle, covering medical expenses, and compensating others for their losses can be eased. Liability coverage. Auto insurance shields the policyholder from a financial obligation for damages they cause to others or their property while driving. Let's make it easy. If you cause an accident, your insurance covers liability, which pays for the other party's medical bills, property damage, and other losses. Without insurance, you will be personally liable for this cost, which could be substantial. Failure to cover third-party liabilities can also lead to legal consequences. As for sense of securities, auto insurance provides a sense of securities to drivers, allowing them to pursue daily activities without constant fears or potential loss due to the accidents or damages on the road. As we all know, cars are susceptible to damage and wear and tear. Because of this, vehicle owner constantly worry about repairs and breakdown, which can burn a hole in one's pocket. But with auto insurance, owner can have peace of mind, knowing that you are financially protected against accidents and liabilities to others can reduce the stress and anxiety associated with driving. This, in turn, puts you in more comfortable situation than driving without one. Lastly, auto insurance also support economic growth. Why I talk like that? Because it plays a vital role in supporting economic stability by minimizing disruptions caused by accident or vehicle damage. Auto insurance is a cornerstone for economic stability as it swiftly addresses disruptions caused by accidents or vehicle damage. By minimizing financial setback, this allows business and individuals to operate smoothly, preserving and creating jobs, and also contributing to overall economic growth. Additionally, individuals benefit from the financial stability, enabling them to actively participate in the economy without the prolonged disruptions. Well, that's all from me. Thank you.
Next, we proceed to the next section, which is recommendation to improve Malaysian insurance product. Firstly, we should know the main reason why Chubb Auto Insurance Malaysia needs to improve their insurance product. It is because it can support the business in gaining new clients and maintaining its competitiveness in the market. By providing superior coverage, services, and price, the business can set itself apart from rivals and increase its market share. Since Australia has a better auto insurance product compared to Malaysia, here are several recommendations for Chubb Auto Insurance Malaysia to improve its auto insurance product and learn from Allianz Australia Insurance Limited. The first point is to expand coverage. Like Allianz Australia Insurance Limited, Chubb Auto Insurance Malaysia has to think about providing more extensive coverage choices like comprehensive insurance, third-party property damage insurance, and also third-party fire and theft insurance. Second, improve contribution structure. Malaysia should consider offering more flexible contribution options such as annual, lump sum, or installment payments. The third point is to reduce major exclusions. Major exclusions from Chubb Auto Insurance Malaysia, such as those pertaining to drivers without a license, drivers who have been rejected, and drivers under the influence, should be reviewed and may be eliminated or reduced. The fourth point is to enhance customer service. More contact alternatives such as a customer service hotline and an easier-to-use website will help Chubb Auto Insurance Malaysia to provide better customer support. Next, offer additional coverage options. Additional coverage options such as protecting our car from theft, having a computer or comparable device breakdown, and more should be offered by Chubb Auto Insurance Malaysia. The sixth point is to reduce waiting periods. It will be wise for Chubb Auto Insurance Malaysia to think about shortening or doing away with waiting periods for coverage against floods, bushfires, and cyclones. And the last point is to review pricing practices. It is advisable for Chubb Auto Insurance Malaysia to re-evaluate its pricing strategies and contemplate providing more appealing premium prices.
Okay, in conclusion, in this world there are many types of insurance that we can use. Among them is auto insurance. This is because with this insurance we can continue our daily life and activity without feeling worried, because insurance provide us with protection in terms of finance and others. Next, this auto insurance provide a lot of benefit to all parties because it help us, especially in terms of finance and security, and at the same time it can help the economy of a country. So from this we can see that there is a lot of diversity in the market structure and automotive insurance policy in Malaysia and Australia. Finally, we understand that local regulation and requirement are important for vehicle owner to make informed decision about automotive insurance. Okay, that's all from us, and remember, it's not about the car you drive, it's about the way you drive it. So thank you for your attention, and once again we say thank you.